In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit messages on Facebook Messenger. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So this is the new feature for Facebook Messenger. Just open Messenger on your smartphone like iPhone. So if you just message someone, just hello, so you can edit it. Just press and hold, but make sure you are able to edit message before seeing that person. So press and hold that message and tap on edit, and you can edit something like that, then and send again, and it's showing here edited. So that way you can edit messages on Facebook Messenger. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.